Hi there everyone, I'm Sharon Sims from Podcasting Hub Australia. Welcome back to another episode of On the Couch with Sharon. So come sit with me while we have a chat today. We're going to be talking about marketing your podcast. Ideally, you would like to start marketing your podcast before you actually publish, even before production has started. So start generating some excitement. Talk about the upcoming podcast. Talk about it on all of your social media platforms. If you have a current website, you can make a post on your website about it. So start marketing, start generating that hype and excitement for your podcast before you've produced, before you've published. Now, once you've actually produced and published your podcast, again, you can publish links on all of your social media platforms, even create a dedicated social media page for your podcast. Take pictures throughout production. So again, this comes into the marketing before you've published your podcast. So take pictures, as I said, excuse the stumbling there, but take pictures during production, maybe even a few short videos, post those out on social media and on the dedicated social media page for your podcast. So let people know what's going on, let them see your excitement, let them feel your excitement, let them have that behind the scenes insight into the podcast publication and production. Make some short videos, as I said, while you're actually producing your podcast, and you can use these as ways to market across all the social media platforms, even professional media platforms like LinkedIn. Anywhere that you have access to uploading videos, do that. So make 30-second, a minute videos of you producing your podcast and put those out there. Again, it just generates hype and excitement. You can make little audiograms as well. So there again, 30 seconds, a minute, maybe even 2-minute snippets of your podcast with a still picture and a moving waveform. So they're a great way also to market your podcast. Track your numbers, track your downloads. It's important to know how many people are tuning in, how many people are listening, how many people are actually downloading your podcast. It's important to know these numbers because that will help with your marketing. Now, it's also really important to have a dedicated website for your podcast. Now, you have a small website on your hosting platform, but if you can make yourself a web page for the podcast, that's another great way for your marketing. And again, it helps with your SEO. It's not something we're going to get into today, but SEO, having the web page, having your website, all your social media platforms, talking about your podcast is a great way for marketing and increasing the SEO ranking of your pages. Anyhow, that's enough of me talking about marketing your podcast. Stay tuned for another episode of On the Couch with Sharon. Bye for now.